Get that guy. Come on. Boom, headshot. Got him. Okay, get that guy. Come on. Boom, headshot. Got him. Racking him up to You just shot me. Dude, I'm on your team. What'd you shoot me for? I was in a killing spree. Dude, what are you... I'm done with this game. Man, I just can't get anywhere with this game. I've been playing this 5 hours straight and... Yeah, now that I mention it though, feeling kind of hungry. いや、もう丸一日何も食べたらん気づいたら。まずいな。よし。晩ご飯そろそろ作ろうかな。ちょっと大牛じゃけな。What should I make today? Got it. Something easy. 簡単なものを作ろうかな。Alright, well, I guess we have to open the old fridge and see what we got inside. 何が入っとるかな。Whipped cream. What is this? Akamiso, wasabi, mayonnaise, and mustard. Okay, so what the heck can I make with this? If only I could do magic or just, bop! Wait, what? That actually worked? I was just joking. I didn't think that would actually work. Did I just do magic? What is this? つかめる実験不思議だま. Well, I guess it's time we do Japanese Kid Snacks Part 2. What's good, guys? Thanks again for tuning in to yet another episode of Yankee in Japan. As always, an American Yankee in the land of the rising sun. Alright, so guys, you know the drill. Before we go any further, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button until it goes ring ding ding. That way, whenever I get new content out on the show, you never miss a beat. So on my last episode, we talked about crazy DIY Japanese kids candy. 前回の話だけどさ、前回のエピソードは、初めて Japanese DIY、子供のスナック、キャンディー、アメちゃん、作って、食べてみた。で、あとは感想も、みんなに伝えた。今日も Part 2. So we're going to be doing Part 2 of the same content, but with a different snack. 今日のスナックは this.So it's called the つかめる実験不思議だま。まずは今日これ作って食べてみる。あとは感想も教えとく。Alright, time to open this bad boy up and see what we got inside. Yet another tray for our jiken, for our experiment. Alright. Oh, look at that, it's got beakers and stuff on there.Feels like I'm Bill Nye the Science Guy, but in Japan. Okay, so what do we need? What do we need? 入っているもの。大スプーン、big spoon. 小スプーン、small spoon. Tray, check. ジュースの素、the stuff to make the juice. Check. 玉の素。あとはいろんな色もある。So, this is the stuff to make the mystery ball. It includes 4 colors. I see blue, red, yellow, and white.用意するもの水が水 and ハサミチョキ Just kidding, I got real scissors this time. Alright, 作り方 The way to make テーブルの上にきれいに拭いて、手を洗ってから作ろう、Clean the table, clean your hands, and let's make a mystery ball.Okay, peep this out. これちょっと見てみて。これめっちゃかっこいい。This is really interesting. Alright, so you can see these colors here, right? So if you want to make these colors, we have to choose the colors that are already in the pack. And they're very basic. So remember, we only have blue, red, yellow, and white, right? But if you mix these colors together, you can actually make other colors. Elementary science, right? Well, 簡単な理科じゃろ？でもこれ子供できるけすごいいい経験じゃな。ただしね、美味しいかどうかはまだわかんない。Oh, I get it, because we have 2 of these clover trays. なんかクローバーのトレイは2つがある。そういうことで、色も2つ作ることじゃろ？ Okay, I mean, I like green, but I want to make a blue ball and an orange ball. オレンジ玉と青い玉、作りたいな。Ball. For our blue ball, which is supposed to taste like soda. That's so cool. なるほどね。Not only does the color change, the taste changes. So we can do budo, grape, moscato, that's white grapes, soda, that's like soda. Double budo, so that's like double grape, budo soda, so grape soda. And moscato soda. This is Muzikashisa level 2, by the way. I think Naru Naru Gumi no Mi, the last episode was also a 2, so this shouldn't be too difficult, right? I mean, even a kid can do it. Igaito Musakashi. That was a lot more difficult than I thought. Guys, I'm ashamed to admit it, but I could not successfully do the mystery ball experiment. I couldn't even make a ball. That looks disgusting. Like, oh my gosh, I don't even want to eat this. Like, this looks terrible. Terrible. 難しさレベル2。ほんまにレベル2か。いや、なるなるグミのなんちゃらは、あれの方が簡単じゃったじゃろ。これは、難しいこれ。子供これできるかい？ I guess Japanese kids are a lot smarter than this American Yankee, because, yo, I couldn't do this. Bottoms up. I mean, it ain't bad. This actually tastes a little bit better than Naru Naru Gumi no Ki, but it just looks gross. I feel like I'm on Nickelodeon, you know, with the orange slime and everything. Alright, well, it does so we have to wait 5 minutes, so let's give this 5-minute wait time. Then we'll go back to it, and hopefully this thing comes out resembling something like a ball. Well, that's about 5 minutes and change. まあちょっと5分ちょっともう経ったけ。まあたちまちやってみよう。Try this out. Okay. Oh! Actually, I do have one ugly, misshapen, amoeba-like ball. Alright. Jang! Look at that. This is the soda one. The one that's supposed to taste like soda. It's now turning into slime. So, bon appetit. That's not bad. The blue one tastes better. The orange one not so much. But, now they're coming together. I mean, they're ugly. They're really ugly. But they're still coming together. God, that looks disgusting. Okay, bon appetit. The texture is actually a little... It's interesting because the outside is kind of firm, but the inside's really soupy, basically like water. This reminds me of more of a traditional gummy than the Naru Naru Gumi no Ki. And yeah, I like this one better. It is more difficult. これの方がなるなるなんちゃらなんちゃらより難しかったけど、まあ味的にこれの方が美味しい。So with all things considered, what should we give つかめる実験 Fushigi Dama on the Japanese kodomo snack scale? Well, I would give this a 7. So that's one up from Naru Naru Gumi no Ki. And the reason why is because this one is more difficult. It requires a couple more tries, I think, and determination. It really required you to kind of use your brain. Like, what color do I want to make? Or what what flavor do I want to make? まあ、何の味作りたいか。あとは何の色も作りたいか。まあ、いろんなことをその子供はなんか考えんといけんじゃろ。これじゃけ、これの方がちょっと考えることが必要だと思うし、まあ、面白いな。面白かった。うん。で、and the flavor, the taste.Pretty good, actually. I wasn't really a fan of the naru naru gumi no ki taste. I mean, it was okay. And that leads me also to the texture. Now, when the ball actually solidifies, when it congeals, it's pretty firm. It's more like a traditional gumi, like a traditional gummy candy, I think. But not still as firm as we'd typically eat like in the States, right? Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching another episode of Yankee in Japan.I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell button. Tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your wife, tell your dog. 今日も見てくれてありがとうございます and thank you very ございました。